Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to create professional videos in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you're making YouTube videos, cinematic films, business content, gaming edits, or social media videos, yeah, DaVinci Resolve gives you professional tools for high-quality video production. Before you start editing, organize your clips, music, voice recordings, and overall story structure. Next, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project from the Project Manager screen. Now import your video clips, music, sound effects, images, and graphics into the media pool. Drag your clips onto the timeline and arrange them in the correct order to build the story of your video. To make your video look professional, remove mistakes, pauses, and unnecessary moments using trimming and cutting tools. Good audio is extremely important. Add background music, sound effects, and clean voiceovers to improve the overall quality. Before exporting, preview the full project carefully and check for timing mistakes, audio problems, or missing transitions. Once everything looks good, open the Deliver page and export the final video in high-quality settings. And that's basically how to create professional videos in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With strong storytelling, smooth editing, cinematic color grading, and clean audio, you can create high-quality content directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.